In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn profile to your Facebook profile. If you want to make it easier for people to find your professional background from Facebook, this is a simple and useful update to make. We'll first grab your LinkedIn profile link and then add that link to the links section on your Facebook profile. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. Make sure you're on your own profile, since this is where you'll find the direct link you want to share. Once you're on your LinkedIn profile, click on Contact Info. This section contains the important details connected to your profile, including your public profile link. When the contact information window opens, look for your profile link and copy it. Be sure to copy the full link correctly so it works when someone clicks on it later from Facebook. After that, switch over to Facebook and go to your profile. On your Facebook profile page, click on About. This area contains your personal details, contact information, and any websites or social links you want to display publicly. Inside the About section, click on Links. This is the part of Facebook where you can manage external links connected to your profile. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the available profile sections until you find it. Next, click the pencil icon to edit your links. The pencil icon usually means you're about to update or manage the information shown in that section. Once the editing panel opens, click on Add Link. Now, paste the LinkedIn profile link you copied earlier into the field provided. It's a good idea to quickly check the link before saving, just to make sure there aren't any missing characters or extra spaces. A clean, correct link helps avoid errors and makes your profile look more professional. Finally, click on Save. Once saved, your LinkedIn profile link will be added to your Facebook profile, making it easier for friends, colleagues, recruiters, or potential clients to connect with you professionally. And that's it. You've successfully added your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook profile. It only takes a minute, but it can make your online presence more connected and easier to navigate. If you're updating your profiles, this is also a good time to make sure your public information is current and consistent across both platforms.